Shivam, Shaumya, please enable your audio. Okay. All right. So I think we should start right now. Let's the students join, and one by one we should start, because at that time we will not get much time. Okay. So today our GD topic is New India 2022. Yeah, New India 2022. So one by one, I am starting with you people. First, should I start with Raman Pradhan? Raman Pradhan.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon, Raman. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, Raman, please proceed.
Ma'am, today's our topic is New India 2022.
Yeah.
Our Prime Minister Modi is pursuing big goals to mark the 75th anniversary of the independence in 2022. The government has aimed to make a new India by 2022 by completely destroying poverty and corruption. According to the New India strategy, the Modi government has
1 minute.
mainly
1 minute, 1 minute. I will say something. Don't say it is a strategy. Okay.
yes,
Whenever you
yes,
are saying something like this, na, you have to say the mission. Okay. Or the
yes, yes,
movement. Like this you have to say. You don't have to say like it is a strategy. For something else we do the strategy, not for these things. Okay, that is called the mission or developing process. All
yeah,
those.
ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead.
According to this mission, the Modi government has mainly targeted to completely destroy poverty by 22. Under the New India
1 minute.
mission,
Completely destroy, no. Destroy means something else. Free of poverty. Free from
okay,
poverty, you can say. If you say destroy is something different else meaning.
okay,
Destroying is something else, and poverty is not to destroy anything. Okay. To
yes,
yeah, it is to free
yeah,
from poverty. We used to say, na, we would like that India should be free from corruption and all those things. So free
yeah.
from poverty. It will be.
And under the New India mission, um, Modi aims for balanced development in all sectors, mainly in rural areas.
Yeah.
The vision document prepared by the government aims of changing the lifestyle of people living in villages by 2022 through Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Livelihood Mission, Prime Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Manrega, skill development programs, etc. That's all.
Okay, very good, Raman.
Thank
Next,
you,
I
ma'am.
will come to Shudhanshu Ranjan.
Yes, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. And all of you, please mark your attendance in the LMS. So mark your attendance.
Today's topic is about New India 2022.
Yeah.
According to our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi sir, New India is a vision which means to make New India by 2022 by eradicating poverty and corruption. Its main aim for balanced development of all sectors, recognizing the challenge of development. And there is a special focus on the development of rural areas by changing their lifestyles. Thank you.
Okay, it is too short, Sudhanshu. Next, Shivam Shaumya.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon to all of you. My today's topic is New India 2022. Now, New India 2022 is a plan in which the government has prepared a vision document under which it aims to create a new India by 25th Independence Day in the year of 2022. It is ambitious plan to make India poverty free and corruption free by 2022. The vision development prepared by Niti Aayog and the Ministry of Rural Development states that India has succeeded in finding a solution to problem of poverty. Uh, Under the plan, PM aims to focus on the development of all sectors, including electricity, drinking water, health, education, and many more. Now, uh, the ministry is dedicated to meet the goals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New India 2022. The aim is of economic development by raising livelihood opportunities in agriculture and non-agriculture sector, improving road connectivity and improving supply chain, providing houses, electricity, education to all. Now, I want to wind up by saying that even if the New India 2022 is not fully achieved, government should take initiative and work accordingly to so that it can fulfill as many objectives as possible. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Shivam. Next, Kunal. Kunal, I am audible to you? Hello, Kunal. Okay, next, Saurabh Kumar. Saurabh Kumar. Saurabh Kumar. Bablu Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon.
I'm here to say something about New India 2022. We can say that New India 2022 is like a dream project for every Indian. Last year, our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, had said that celebration of 75th Independence Day in 2022 will mark the celebration of the dream of New India in a unique way. Our New India will be free from poverty, dirt, corruption, terrorism, casteism, communalism. And for this, our Niti Aayog has divided
Can you
to
say me what
develop
is
our.
Niti Aayog?
Ma'am, it's a department of our government which prepared any plans and follow to develop our
What?
country.
Niti Aayog is what?
It's a department of government.
National Institution for Transforming India.
Yes. National Institution for Transforming India. These things are there, na? Skills, all those things, this all things comes under this Niti Aayog. There's all types of you people used to get na, development skills. Hai na? And do you know who
Yes.
is the vice, the chairperson of this? Who is the
Rakesh,
chairperson, you know?
Rakesh Kumar.
Narendra
Our
Modi.
PM, ma'am.
Narendra Modi. The chairperson is Narendra Modi, and The vice chairperson is your Rajiv Kumar.
Rajiv Shukla.
Rajiv Shukla.
Yeah, Rajiv Kumar or Rajiv Shukla, something is like.
Rajesh Kumar.
I don't know. Rajesh Kumar or I don't know. Rajiv is the name, I know. But Rajiv Kumar or Rajiv Shukla, I don't know probably. Okay. Okay, next. Yeah, please go ahead with your points.
So according to NITI, between Niti Aayog, it has uh, divided four types of prepared four types of plans, that is drivers, infrastructure, inclusion, governance. In drivers, we can include growth and employment, doubling farmers' income, science and technology, innovation, tourism. If we talk about infrastructure, that means our government will focus on transport, smart cities, Swachh Bharat mission, environment, water resources. The if the vision document aims of changing the lifestyle of people which is living in villages by 2022. There are many yojana has provided, just like Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. If you talk about in sector of health, there is a special kind of health insurance which is known as Pradhan Mantri
What? Sis, when I have told you, means I have given you the topic, na? New India 2020, 22. So first thing you have to keep in your mind, you have to say the vision. What is the vision? What is the mission? What is the purpose? What is the strategy and what are the values? Okay. Because I think this is 2022 is Vision 2022. And you have
Yes,
one logo also for this thing of that Vision 2022. When you will search in Google, definitely you will see that is Vision 2022. So whenever you are saying something like this, the first of things, you have to go through the vision, you have to go through the purpose, you have to go through the strategies, and you have to go through the values. Like that, one by one, you have to say those things. From here, you have saying some points. Again, from some other, you are taking some points, and you people are saying, don't say like this. There are certain types of things which you have to always follow. Whenever in your GD, na, first the objective part you have to say. Okay, next. Okay.
thank you.
Bablu Kumar. Ashish Poddar. Ashish Poddar.
Hello,
Ashish.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, today's topic is New India 2022.
Hey, who is
Ma'am,
there?
as
Some
our government
sound is coming.
बाहर में बेचने वाला घूम रहा है।
Okay. Yeah,
Hello.
yeah, Ashish.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as our government promised New India by 2022, as the as by 2022, India is going to celebrate its 75th Independence Day. And the objective of the New India is to make the country free from nepotism, casteism, corruption, and make a better livelihood for the poor peoples. Ma'am, for this to achieve this aim, our government is our government is doing much more tasks like our government has targeted some. Our government has made some targets like make the India open defecation free, uh, uh, give people their houses under PM Awas Yojana,
Mhm.
and make people skillful by under skilled India, and opening poor people's account under Jan Dhan Yojana. But according to the corruption index 2021, India's position is 86, which is too poor.
Mhm.
And so the aim for achieving this new India by 2022 uh, can be achieved by
Ashish, your voice is breaking.
ma'am, network issue, ma'am.
Okay, next Aparna Kumari. Aparna,
Yes, ma'am. Good
Yeah.
afternoon, ma'am.
yeah, good afternoon, Aparna. Go ahead.
Ma'am, today's topic is the new India in 2022,
Mm.
right? So, our new India 2022 is a vision by our present government, and in this vision, they are pursuing a lot of goals, big goals, and the year 2022 is being selected because so as to provide a mark on 75th anniversary of independence, which we're going to achieve in 2022. So, and this vision, government is focusing on two basic topics or two basic fields, that is poverty and corruption, which they are trying to remove, or we can say eradicate it. And in this vision, I'm a little bit nervous just because I didn't read it before. I'm sorry.
No need of getting nervous. Please, you can repeat it again. Start from the beginning.
Okay, ma'am. So in this plan, in this vision of our India, in New India in 2022, our government have pursued a lot of goals in which poverty and corruption are most importantly um, concerned. And here, and also the government is also focusing to reduce poverty, especially concerning the villages area, where they are strengthening some sectors like electricity, drinking water, health, education, etc. And also to give some concern about the economic and social development of the country as well.
Okay.
Um, that's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Next. Priyaranjan Kaushal. Priyaranjan Kaushal.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening.
Yeah. Please start.
At first, India celebrates 75 years of independence. On this occasion, Modi government announced to a new India in the occasion of 75 years of independence. By 22, it is promised that India will free from corruption, black money, nepotism, caste, and dirt. By then, youth and women will get ample opportunity. Farmer will able to double their income, and poor have concrete houses, according to Modi government. Modi government started many schemes, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Jan Dhan Khata Yojana, etc. So Modi government provide loan and credit to farmers. It is difficult to achieve double farmer income. With the present scheme, farmers need better price for their agriculture production. Modi government also provide the loans to farmers for their that's
Okay. Next, Suraj Ram.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Suraj.
Vision of 2020, and that means I can say that the Modi government are decided to how to increase development of India to next 2020 to become a development country. So, so many points to be considered, Mr. Modi, to enhance the development of India. For a student loan proposal which we sanctioned for Modi government, and for farmers so many krishi loan are available to the farmer. And in electronics area, the Modi government are started the company to enhance the product demand, especially for electronics gadgets, mobile, laptop, etc.
Okay. Next, Mrityunjay Kumar Singh. Mrityunjay Kumar Singh, he has already marked his attendance, but he is not present. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. That's why I'm sharing the screen. Now, Mohammad Nehal Alam. Mohammad Nehal Alam. Nehal Alam. Who is not responding?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Are you busy?
Ma'am, my mobile is hanging.
Are you busy?
No, ma'am.
Okay, start.
Ma'am, today's topic is group discussion on New India.
Yeah.
So we know that Modi government promised New India by 2022, when India will complete 75 years of independence. By 2022, it is promised that India will be free of corruption, black money, and nepotism and dirt. By then, youth and women will get ample opportunities. Farmer will be able to double their income,
How
and
they will be
poor
able to
will
double
have.
their income?
Yes, ma'am.
How they will be able to double their income?
I don't know, ma'am. The Modi government was promised. Then I
How?
tell you.
How?
No, ma'am. I don't have idea.
You have to set ideas, no? When you are saying something, there should be a specific reason you are saying about.
No, ma'am. It is a plan of government. Then how is it?
Okay, it is a plan of government. So what you will say, according to the government promise?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the government promise or government announcement, what will be the specific word?
Announced.
Announcement.
Yes, ma'am.
Anna? So you have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
say it like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next. Kumari Pushpa Singh. Kumari Pushpa Singh, present, she has marked here. but she is absent. Bablu Kumar, you have already said. Shaket
ma'am.
Mishra. Now
Yes,
start
ma'am.
Shaket Kumar Mishra. After that, Kunal Verma, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kunal. After that, okay. Shaket, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Pooja Chaudhary is there?
Our government is pursuing big goals to mark the 75th anniversary of independence in 2022. The government has prepared a vision document through which it aims to make a new India by 2022. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that celebration of 75th Independence Day in 2022 will mark the celebration of dream of new India in a unique way. According to the new India strategy document, according to our government, which is given, Modi government has set a big goal to lower poverty by 2022. The vision document prepared by our Niti Aayog and Ministry of Rural Development under the New India 2022 strategy, Prime Minister Narendra Modi aims for balanced development of all sectors. Recognizing the challenges of development, the government is emphasizing on inclusive development. There is a special focus on the development of rural areas. The main objective is to reduce poverty. Everyone will be given a home by 2022. Poverty will be
Everyone will be given home.
poor people will be given a home by 2022.
Poor people
Yes, ma'am.
will be given home. Giving matlab home what? That is in the fair. They will buy one home and they will give.
No, there was a certain norms that government will give 2 lakh or 3 lakh to that type of persons, and a certain loan of 10
So
lakhs,
what
12
is the
lakhs.
sentence?
The main objective is to reduce poverty. According to
Sentence you have tell na. Everyone will be given home.
everyone who is needy will be given a home by 2022.
Please check, rectify the sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
Provided. The poor peoples will
Okay.
be provided shelter.
Okay, ma'am.
Home is ready made. That I will give you when you will just put it on the land and you will live.
No, ma'am.
So the poor people
Has
will be provided shelter.
poor people provided shelter by 2022.
Or housing facilities will be given to the poor people.
Okay, ma'am. The
That's why
focus
I
will
told
be
you,
on
na?
increasing.
That's why
Yes,
I told
ma'am.
you that home will be ready made. That will be being provided from a fair and they will just put it on their land
No,
and they will start living.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Facilities will be increased to improve living. The focus will be on increasing employment by developing rural basic resources and women empowerment. Training and capacity development programs will be conducted in the villages. The vision document aims of changing the lifestyle of people living in villages by 2022 through Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Livelihood Mission, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Manrega, Skill Development Program, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Urban Mission, and National Social Assistance Program, etc.
Okay.
And other than the
Okay, stop
government
now.
is focusing.
Now stop. Enough points are there. Okay, Aditya Sweetie.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Aditya Sweetie.
Good morning to one and all, respected teacher and all my dear friend. Today I avail this opportunity to express my views on the topic New India 2022, drawing inspiration and direction from the Niti Aayog, Man Ki Baat, and from the Honorable Prime Minister clarion call for establishing a new India by 2022. I, Aditya Sweetie, is going to give my point on the given topic. In 2022, we will have online, digital, and paperless banking. We will have updated and digitalized land records in the user-friendly manner. We will have residential schools in uncovered blocks with facilities for vocational training. We will have gender-friendly facilities in upcoming towns and big cities, and also transgender person who got their identification in government and non-government records. We will have IT-enabled platform for integrating different modes of transport. We will have independent regulator for the Indian Railways, healthcare sector, which will drive the economy, will generate 1 million jobs in 2022. We will have Arthik Shiksha Abhiyan in the regular school. And at last but not least, ISRO will launch Mangalyaan 2 in 2022. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Okay, next my sweet boy, Subhajit Bhoi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Sleeping?
No, ma'am. Today, the topic of discussion is New India 2022. On August 15, 2022, independent India will turn 75. In the lifespan of nations, India is still young. The best is surely yet to come. India's youthful and aspirational population deserves a rapid transformation of the economy which can deliver double-digit growth, jobs, and prosperity to all. Apart from these government programs, in 2022, we can see that there will be transformation in new technologies like green energy will come into our society. Big corporates are heavily investing on it. In 2022, the main aim will be to make a pollution-less environment. Thank you.
Very good. Next, I will come to Balaram.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Balaram.
Modi government promised New India by 2022 when India will be completed 75 years of independence. By 2022, it is promised that India will be free of corruptions and black money. And Modi government 2022 help poor family will have concreted houses, electricity, water supplied, and etc. And Modi government opening bank account for everyone under Jan Dhan Yojana, and Modi government provide lands on credit card for farmer. And next, Modi government 2022 announce all government sector handling from private companies. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Anuj Ora.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Anuj.
Yes. New India can be built by thinking and new thoughts, making new policies and implementing those policies with favor. India has the potential of becoming one of the most advanced and progressive countries of the world. The most dynamic factor in a country is the human resource. If India is to achieve all its development goals, the human resource must be highly efficient and creative. The second most important thing is the optimal utilization and management of resources. The optimal utilization of the best of resources by the best of professionals results in creating something new. India needs this blend.
Okay. Next, I think Suraj Ram, you are left. Suraj Ram.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Suraj.
मैम मैं बोल चुका हूँ मैं.
Then Satyanarayan has joined na right now. Yeah. Satyanarayan.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
क्या बोल रहे हैं न्यू इंडिया के बारे में?
Yeah, New India 2022. You have to say something.
Today I will discuss about New India 2020 or build New India. New India can be built by thinking new thoughts, making new policies and implementing those
Already the policies
with-
are made. The policies
What,
are
ma'am?
already made. It has already declared. Have
Hello,
you
ma'am?
prepared or not? Satnarayan, I just want to ask, have you prepared or not?
Properly not prepared, ma'am.
Not prepared. Please go through it once, because the policies you are saying that the policies have already been made for the new India. Please go once. At last I will ask you, okay?
Ma'am, I will try next class, ma'am.
Next class new topic will be given, Satnarayan. So you have to take this on class only.
Repeat again, ma'am.
Next class you will be getting new topic. So in this class only you have to say, I will ask you at the last.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone left right now? Anyone present except Satnarayan have not got the chance?
What, ma'am?
Ashish, you have told.
Yes, ma'am.
Then who have not told? Aparna Kumari?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you told?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyone? I think no one is left right now.
Sir, me Abhishek Karkata.
Abhishek Kirketa. Okay, Abhishek, then you please proceed. After that, I will come to Satnarayan. Okay, Abhishek, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today our topic is New India 2022. I want to share some point about a new India in 2022. In technological changes. Now we can see the government is promoting the digital India, in which a new technologies are implanted by the government, and many government work is conducted by the online mode. And we can see the government is launched many programs like MSME, micro and small many enterprises program, and Skill India, in which government is giving the opportunity to student to build a skill to get a and create new job. And and next point is political changes. The government has prepared a vision to make a new India by 2022 by eradicating the poverty and corruption. The government has launched the many programs like a National Livelihood Mission, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Manrega Skill Development Program, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, and Jan Dhan Yojana. And next point is social changes. The government has taken initiative to eliminate the some social issue like a casteism, nepotism, and women empowerment and intercaste marriage. And next point is in agriculture area, the government has promoting the agriculture area a new technology of
Agriculture sector.
agriculture.
Agriculture sector, not area.
Yes, ma'am. In agriculture sector, the government has implanted many new technology like Modi. We know that Modi has
Okay, stop. Now, Satnarayan. Satnarayan. Satnarayan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
Satnarayan.
ma'am.
Yeah. One more thing I am saying you, okay? When you are saying something, the sector will be and the agenda, all those things. Okay, okay, Satnarayan, please proceed. Less than 1 minute is there. Please proceed.
Ma'am, I can't understand, ma'am. Repeat again.
Please say your views fast. Fast, speak.
What's about my
Say about New India 2022. Don't time pass here. If you're time passing,
ma'am?
don't
I am
time
not.
pass.
Ma'am, I am not prepared, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, something now I'm saying you about this thing. Whenever there will be group discussion like this type of topics, na, first you have to say the mission or what the vision of that thing. Today you people have told from all over there, but first of all thing that when it has been launched,